AT, what up, Beat It AT, what up, Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we are going to be trying to make a Playboi Carti melody or Playboi Carti type sample, Pierre Bourne, Playboi Carti, all that. So before we get started, we need to figure out, one, what's a popular BPM range that Playboi Carti or Pierre Bourne uses, and then also what's a popular key or scale that they use. So what I got is this page on TuneBat, where you could type in a artist and or song, and it will tell you the BPM and the key of it. We're looking at this, we see a lot of A flat major, and A flat major is also F minor. So E minor, F minor, A major, D major, A flat major. So I'm seeing a lot of F minor or A flat major. So we're probably gonna stick with that, and then also a lot of BPMs around like 80 or 157 or 163. So really around the 160 BPM range. So knowing that, we should probably make our sample in 160 BPM and then do an F minor scale or A flat major. And then that will kind of help us. Now we just got to get in order to actually get to the Pierre Bourne sound, we actually got to get the sounds right. So we're going to be using a VST called Purity. Purity is, in my opinion, a very cheap sounding plugin, but it makes the sounds kind of like what Pierre Bourne has, or they have a lot of sounds and samples and patches that Pierre Bourne and Playboi Carti would use. So we're gonna pull up Purity right now. Go to presets. Probably get a pad first. Slow. I'm gonna just call this glide pad. It's not gonna be my main sample. I'm gonna pull up another Purity presets. So I'm just gonna get a lot of different sounds. I don't know what I'm gonna use, but I'd rather get all the sounds together so I could kind of go from there. And then we're going to create chords, and then from the chords we're going to then do melodies and like top melodies and stuff. Let me go ahead and set my scale to F minor though. I'm gonna look for like a hard sound now, and then we're gonna work from here. We might change this lead flute. Alright, so I'm gonna come up with a simple chord progression real quick, and then we're gonna get started back into this. Actually, before I go get started, I want to actually get a piano or like a keyboard sound from Purity. Then we can make the sounds around it and then maybe get rid of it, because the pad is a little too thick. So I currently got a basic little foundation of a melody. It's a very simple chord progression. I mean, not even really even a progression. It's just pretty much two chords. But we're gonna keep it simple because a lot of Playboi Carti's stuff is fairly simple in melody sense. It's more around the sounds and the vibe. So I kind of got the melody-ish around there. I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix it a little bit so it's not as like cloudy or crowded. It's kind of cloudy right now, but not in the good sense. I'm gonna maybe add one more thing to kind of, and then see if we could blend it in a little bit better. Alright, and then I'm gonna do one pad that is just gonna thicken up those chords that we got. So that's pretty much should give you a good idea on how to make a Playboi Carti style sample. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some drums going, and I'll play you guys the full beat once I'm done. So I pretty much got the finished Playboi Carti type beat now, and I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you guys. These are the sample. I only use an 808 hi-hat, snare, 1, 2, 3 percussion, about 4 percussions, and then a crash. So, and then I didn't change any of the melodies. I just kind of loaded all the sounds. Did a EQ and Camel Crusher to the 808 and didn't really do anything else. And then I did a little bit of mastering. And if you guys want to get the mastering plugin I use, it's in the description down below. It's called Ozone 8. I love it to death. Highly recommend. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play it.